Then we are going to build a descriptive page that looks something like this. Keep in mind that you can list all kind of products in Airtable and show them here in a website format, not just these no-code tools. Before we move forward to building this page, a quick review of what we have learned till now. We have consolidated our data in Airtable. It took us nearly one day to gather our content and filter it properly. We have connected our data with Adalo using No-Code API. No-Code API is one-place app to connect most of our everyday use tools, for example, Stripe, Google Sheets, Airtables, and many more, as you can see over here. And in the last lecture, we have created a landing page that looks both professional and to the point. That is, our visitors can easily grasp what we are working upon. So, in this lecture, we are going to be building the descriptive page that looks like this. Before wasting any time, we are going to start it now. So, head over to Adalo and start with a new screen. We have created a landing page that looks both professional and to the point. That means our visitors can very easily understand the purpose of our website and interact with it. Not just that, when our visitors are going to be clicking on any of our card, it is going to take us to its descriptive page where they can read more about our listed products or listed people or listed schools, whatever list we have made and we have shown it over here. They can read in a blog format the description of the product, and when they click on the link of its website, they should be going to the website where this product is placed. So you can see that if we create only these two pages, our concept of a fully functional website would be complete and we will be able to launch it. For that, we are going to head over to Adalo dashboard, and here we are going to be adding a new blank screen and name it screen 2. In this screen, we are going to increase its height, and here again we are going to be adding a main image placeholder. But unlike the previous screen, we are not going to fetch it from Unsplash, but it should be the image which is shown on the background of each card. So on this screen, we are going to add our transparent sheet or transparent overlay above it. We can find it in simple vector. We are going to give it a black color and increase its transparency. On top of it, we are going to be copy pasting this header, and we are going to say the name of our app comes here. Then comes the description of our app. And above it, we should be placing the logo of our product. We are going to give the image a background of white, and we are going to place a back button on the top. Change its color to white. Then we are going to add two buttons on the right part. Give it a name of add, and we are going to add another button and we're going to give it the name of explore. We're going to make it a group and it comes in the center. Alright, next thing is we are going to be placing the category web basic plan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basically 5 groups. So to place those 5 groups, we are going to add a simple text placeholder here. Increase the size to the size of the group which is placed just above it. Then we are going to add another text here. I will copy paste it and increase the size of text here. Change its font weight to lighter. The color of reduces a little, and we are going to copy paste it again. These text boxes, according to their alignment, we are going to change their source of text by connecting each of these fields to their database. So when we click on any of these cards, we want that it should take us to this screen too. For that, we are going to add an action by clicking on the list and say it has to take us to screen, and in the screen we are going to say, or it is going to select itself, that it is going to send this data to screen named screen. So the current demo, once it goes to the next screen, we can use this data to populate our images URL or change the name or the tagline as we want it. So we are going to do it for the second list as well. When we click on it, we want it to take us to the next screen and it should take along the data. So once the data has been sent forward, we can click on each of these placeholders and connect them to the actual data source. For that, we are going to say that image source is a URL and the URL is current demo image. It is a logo, so it is going to be logo URL. Then we have the image, and the image is again a URL, and we are going to say that it is image full URL. And in the name, we are going to say that it is the name of the current item. Then we're going to say that the tagline is the tagline of the current item. And after that, we're going to be changing the category, the basic plan, the next plan, the description, blog, and the website. So here comes the basic plan. Here comes the category. Then comes the basic plan. After that comes the next plan. Here comes the descriptive text or the blog post about this article. And here comes the website. We're going to say that the website is over here. And here change the name, the label, category. Then comes basic plan. After that comes the next plan. Here comes the description. And here comes the website. So once a user clicks on the website, it should take it to the website. Okay. It is going to be an external link and it is automatically going to be opening the website for this particular product in a separate tab. So once all these fields have been populated, the background image has been populated, we are going to make these two buttons functional. So when a user clicks on explore button, we want him to go back to the screen, to the main home screen of our website. For that, we are going to be adding an action. It is going to be taking us to the welcome screen. And when a user wants to add a new product, we want him to be going to the form field of our sheet. So we can copy its link here and we can paste it in the add product link. Press done. And same thing we are going to do with this add to the knowledge button, so that it opens the form and it allows the users to add their own products to our database. So that's it. All right, I hope our website is now fully functional. So we're going to test it by clicking on this share button. All right, our website has been loaded. We can change the views. If we click on any of these cards, it should open up the page where our product is listed. We can read the description below. If we click on its website, it should open the website of this product. And if we want to add a new product, we can click on add product, and if somebody fills up this form, he can easily add a new no code product to our list. So you can give the name, the website, the category of this app, the tagline, description, brand logo, and all these things. So when a user updates it, it automatically will be showing up in the Airtable dataset. So this is it. This is how you build a website from scratch, where you can view, where you can show off your own product lineup. It can have your blog posts. It can have your products which you want to sell out to them. It can also be showing the job boards or different kind of items, and there are numerous websites which are built on top of this logic. So our back button is not functional, but I think that's fine. I hope you can make it by yourself. And if you want to build or log in or sign up button around it, or if you want some other kind of support, you can say that this is a dynamic platform and you can embed all those functionalities in your app through Adalo and no code API. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach us. We would be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.